Spreadsheets are great tools for crunching numbers, but if you're using spreadsheets to manage your data, you may think that you have all the information management that you need. After all, spreadsheets can do things like create customer lists or even create work order lists. You can create formulas within these lists and even print the lists. Let spreadsheets handle the numbers and let Claris FileMaker handle the rest. With FileMaker, you can tackle any task faster and easier than any spreadsheet that you've used before. For example, can your spreadsheet view information in forms and custom themed views, or even in intelligent lists? Or can you connect related information together intuitively? Or even create customized reports just for your business? Or can you provide secure access and real-time collaboration for multiple team members, either on Mac OS, Windows, mobile, and through the web, all at the same time? Apps created with Claris FileMaker are relational, they can be shared by work groups, can integrate with existing systems, and are highly secure and easy to use, allowing you and your team to accomplish your tasks effortlessly. The good news is that with Claris FileMaker, you can instantly transform your Excel spreadsheets into rich, powerful solutions that you can customize to suit your needs. And getting set up is easy. Just drag and drop your Excel spreadsheet onto a Claris FileMaker application icon, and FileMaker will do the conversion for you. You can map all your Excel columns to FileMaker fields, and you can even pick and choose the columns that you want to bring over. And when you're done, simply hit Convert. And instantly, your spreadsheet has now become an app that you can customize to fit your needs. While the first layout you see looks a lot like a spreadsheet, this is just one of the countless ways that you can view your data, and this is called FileMaker's Table View. Claris FileMaker has various ways for you to view your data, like a form view for viewing and editing one record at a time, or Find Mode for doing easy finds within your data. And when working with multiple records at a time, you can view them in a list view. Claris FileMaker allows you to create custom views of your data using layouts. You can create layouts for desktop, touch devices, or create reports for printing. And you can create as many of these different reports as you need. You can create reports for your team to use, or you can empower them to create their own reports on the fly. Layouts let you do things like make lists easier to read by grouping your data, or even ordering the data in meaningful different ways. And you can even summarize the data to learn about information instead of simply just storing it. You can then customize the layouts to make them consistent with your business identity, and even automate routines to make training users easier, and also to cut down on having to memorize steps. FileMaker's drag and drop layout tools help you design like a pro by intuitively dragging and dropping objects on screen to customize them just the way that you want. And then add automation to your layouts to make your reports easier to generate. You can also import additional spreadsheets into your app as new tables. So this way you can have all of your data in one place. And if you have more spreadsheets, you can import all of them in as new tables in your Claris FileMaker app. This way you can have all of your data in one place. And you can do so while still leveraging powerful relational capabilities. And no need to understand complicated relational theory either. All you need to do is drag and drop to create relationships between your new tables. And once you have the relationship set up, you can now review the related data from many different contexts within your app. You can even use the related data in calculation formulas, or even use it to navigate throughout your app. And this is just what you can do in a few minutes. Imagine if you had a whole hour. With easy-to-use layout tools and a powerful relationship engine that allows you to bring multiple spreadsheets into a single app, all intelligently related, along with calculations that allow you to do all the same number crunching you did in a spreadsheet, and even a script workspace that can create routines considerably more powerful than macros, you can continue to tweak your app as your business evolves, making Claris FileMaker the perfect tool to manage your business's valuable data, assets, and even reports. With Claris FileMaker, your business can go from a spreadsheet to an app in a snap.